Hi everyone, welcome back! In today's video, we'll talk about Apple Intelligence, a game-changing feature introduced with iOS 18.1. This AI-powered tool brings advanced capabilities like cleanup tools, writing assistants, enhanced Siri, and more. But what if it's missing on your iPhone? Don't worry! I'll guide you through the reasons Apple Intelligence might not be showing up and what you can do about it. Let's dive in! Apple Intelligence is not available on all devices or in all regions. Here's why it might be missing on your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone is running iOS 18.1 or later. The feature was introduced in this version, so you'll need to update your iPhone if you haven't already. Open Settings, go to General, and tap Software Update to install the latest iOS version. However, not all devices running iOS 18.1 are compatible with Apple Intelligence. It is currently supported only on the following models: iPhone 16s, iPhone 16s Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max. If your device isn't on this list, such as the regular iPhone 15, 15 Plus, or older models, unfortunately, Apple Intelligence won't be available for you. Additionally, regional restrictions apply. Apple Intelligence is not available for residents in the European Union, EU, due to regulatory limitations. If your Apple ID country or region is set to the EU, the feature will not appear, even if you have a compatible device. To summarize, you need iOS 18.1 or later. You must have one of the supported iPhone models. The feature is not accessible in the EU or for Apple IDs registered in the EU. That's why Apple Intelligence might be missing on your iPhone. If you meet the requirements but still don't see it, feel free to ask questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.